guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board students. Today's topic is history. Now we have started lesson number 1, historiography, the development in West, and we have reached till the 4th part of this lesson, and we are covering today development of scientific perspective in Europe and historiography. So we are going to study about this topic in today's lecture 1.3. If you haven't watched one introduction part 1.1, 1.2, so please check the playlist I have uploaded. Now we are going to see the 1.3. Okay, so here is the paragraph of your textbook. Now we will go one by one and solve our doubts. Okay, till the 18th century CE, Europe had achieved a remarkable progress in the fields of philosophy and science. Now, in earlier times, history was not focused that much, which it is focused today. In earlier times, Europe had, in 18th century, Europe had made a remarkable progress in every field. Most of the time, philosophy and science is greatly focused. So in that field they have made progress. Scholars by then had come to believe in possibility of studying the social and historical truths by applying scientific method. In earlier times, what used to happen is history was not taken as a important subject, or they used to not believe in studying history or researching upon it. But in today's time, scholars by then had come to believe in possibility of studying the social and historical truths by applying scientific method. If we apply scientific method, scientific principles to it, then it is possible of studying the social and historical truths and to come to know the truths about social and history. So by applying scientific methods only. So modern historiography also suggests that, and it is also based on scientific principles. Okay, next we will move is now the philosophical discussion focused more and more on the objectivity in history and historiography. Now philosophical discussions are mainly focusing, and they are going more and more in detail about the objectivity of the history, what are the objectives, and of the historiography as well. Prior to 18th century, before 18th century, all European universities were interested only in philosophical discoveries revolving around divine phenomena. Means before 18th century, what it used to happen, like European universities also said or were only interested if anything happened, it happened because of God's mercy, or if anything bad happens, it is because human beings did these things, and God thought that humans are becoming wicked, and now he is cursing us. So European universities were also interested in giving these discourses like as a divine phenomena. They just used to have assumptions and imaginations, like because of God's wish this happened. However, gradually this scenario began to change after 18th century, or during 18th century this phenomena started changing. What happened is in 1737 CE, the Göttingen University was founded in Germany. Göttingen University, remember this name as it can be asked. So Göttingen University, it was founded in Germany, and this university, for the first time, they had an independent department of history. Most of the universities have department of science, philosophical science and everything, but in 1737 CE, Göttingen University, which is in Germany, made a separate department for the first time for history. Later, other German university became center of historical studies. Now later on it became expanding. So this was about the development of scientific perspective, how scientific perspective started to develop in Europe, as well as about the historiography. So in this paragraph you should know that scientific methods are used for applying or studying historical truths and social truths. Also, divine phenomena used earlier. In prior to 18th century, European universities were interested in divine phenomena. Okay, anything happened, it is because of God. So however, this scenario changed in this thing is very much important, this 3 to 4 lines, which says that in 1737 CE, Göttingen University was founded in Germany, which had the first department of history. Okay, so this is important, and later on it became expanding. So from this whole things, or from 1.3, this is important, and we have done with these things. Next is 1.4, notable scholars. So of that period, which notable scholars are there, this is going to be part number 5 of lesson 1, historiography development in West. We are ending this lecture right now, and 1.4, notable scholar, is going to be the 5th part of lesson number 1. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.